everyone, welcome to a new episode of Crafting with Cosplay Fabrics. My name is Indra and today I'm going to show you some little tips on how to sew vinyl fabrics. Okay, so I wanted to show you if you are struggling with vinyls or pleathers and this is kind of happening to you where your fabric is curling, or you want to sew a straight stitch and it's kind of like not going straight. And kind of you might find some like bagginess or bubbling, or also if you're trying to pin it but you are getting these little like holes because of the pins. So I want to show you two things that I do, and first is using the right foot for it. This is a walking foot. This is my preferred method for this, and here is the little test hem that I did using that. And this I think is the nicest and easiest method to use for this. And as you can see, it has no holes or anything, and that is because I use little like office clips. They come in different sizes, but I find that it's the easiest instead of using pins. That way I won't get any little holes in my fabric, and all I do is just feed it through the fabric, and as I'm sewing I'm just removing the little clippies. Another option is to grab your regular foot, like what I have here, and put a piece of tape right on the back side of it so it creates a slip. So once you have that tape on, you want to grab that little like window where the needle goes through and just take like an X-Acto blade and just cut that out. And also if you have like a channel for your thread, that helps tremendously. It's not my like 100% recommended, but you still get nice results. Here's an example of the one that I did with the tape. It still looks really nice, but I have found that sometimes it does catch a little bit. So but that is a cheaper option because I understand that the walking foot can be a little bit pricey. But I hope that that helps you. I hope that you like and subscribe, and I will see you soon for another tip, trick, or tutorial featuring cosplay fabrics. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.